Morning everybody. This is an open top polybag. It's called that because the top is open. We carry 7, 10, and 12-inch versions of these things. We get them from Bags Unlimited, and these are different from the standard poly bags that we use that are sealed with the L-bar sealer over on the finishing lines. So these boxes get pretty beat up in transit. The sleeves are fine, the bags are fine, but we are going to spend about 10 minutes and get these all sorted out and organized so we can tell how much we've got in stock and when we're running low, and make it nice visually. And yeah, we're gonna do this very quickly, and it's gonna be cool. So here's the finished product. I've repurposed pallets boxes and cut out holes in the front so we can have perfect visibility to what's in there. Got 7 inches on the top because that's the most popular, followed by 12-inch and then 10, which we use the least. So this is gonna do a few things. It gives us perfect visibility to what we have in stock, so we don't over order and we're not gonna have excess inventory. We're gonna be able to keep these in a much cleaner and better way than just leaving them in the shipping containers they came in. And I just think this is a leaner, better solution. So we'll see how it works and find a happy home for it. Of course, it's on wheels, so we can put it wherever we want, whenever we want. So there you go, lean poly bag cart.